Guys, we have a new shirt out, and it is available for pre-order. We're so pumped with the way that this thing came out. Check it out in the link in the description below. We appreciate your support for Fasterproms and what we're trying to do and what we stand for, so thank you guys so very much. Oh, Georgie, we got a dilemma here, buddy.
Quite a dilemma.
What kind of jerk would do something like that to somebody's truck?
And not use jack stands.
I think that's a tongue-in-cheek right there. You're giving us a little clue on who.
Jack stand Jimmy did this, man.
Yeah.
Being a real wise guy.
Yeah, man.
Now, I mean, there's 30. But I don't know how I'm going to get them down from there.
Yeah, I don't even think they're going to let us use the forklift, so they got it up with the forklift, so we're going to have to adapt and overcome. Now, funny thing here, I thought about it, and you were like, hey, it's not going to be that easy. You can't really go in reverse so much because
I got no back brakes on there. So I was thinking, oh yeah, maybe I can just slowly kind of, but nope.
Yeah, if we go back, you're definitely going to hit the tree.
And I don't really want it to just slam down and tear it all up, but might have to.
What would you do?
You put some of these big tires under there, let it land on it?
Yeah, I think the heads are going to probably get jammed up underneath the fender right there and mess up the body. Cool. Yeah, that would not be cool, for sure. So, do you go forward or backwards?
I guess backwards is going to have to be the thing. There's a freaking tree right there.
Maybe we just put a tire between the tree.
Bed's already toast.
The worst part that I thought that these were like a set of 799s or 243s. I'm like, what a jerk! Freaking $400 head sitting right there, and we can't even use them.
Well, I'm keeping both of those.
Let's get a plan here. Here, I'm gonna take one of these guys. I'm gonna stick it right back here. It's good.
Pretty soon this thing's just gonna have no body panels like Leroy. Or we could try to snatch them out of there like the old tablecloth with the glass wine.
Yeah.
Wine glass on it.
Yeah, I don't think that's a bad idea.
Move your truck.
Like I could pull forward, and then we have a tow strap and just try and yank them both, and they got to be just right.
They got to be just right.
Yeah. We need a running start too.
I got an idea. Let's come up with a plan. We'll be back.
All right.
All right, we got us a plan. We're gonna yank it.
Did you explain how this happened?
Uh-oh.
Hold on. You told him to go get the truck.
Smart car ought to get it out of there. Sure hope this works.
Something's gonna happen.
Yeah, something's definitely gonna happen. Watch out for flying heads. Two-step. Oh, Rodney. Wow, that was pretty smooth. That was actually really good.
I'm like, what's on the ground underneath there? I thought the motor fell out.
Seen the headlight flying around.
What's underneath it? There's the headlight.
Oh, there's the headlight. Looks like it's sitting a little lower now. I guess that just happened, but really not that bad. That went pretty good.
Driving it up?
See if it'll start.
If things can go well, they will.
That's right. Hasn't ran in like 2 weeks. Probably dead. What I'm talking about.
I mean, look at that nitrous in it. That nitrous got it. Hey, that's the
Yeah, no kidding.
That's the whole start of the rep under, wasn't I?
You're supposed to, yeah, but... Oh, Rodney, buddy. That's one way to do it.
Sorry, my foot slipped.
Your foot slipped?
Yeah.
At least you're still running good.
Look at top. Still got it.
Still got it.
You look at your shoe. I got so much dirt all over me.
Wow, I love this truck.
My little truck.
Sounds pretty good. I'm pretty proud of the smart car right now.
Yeah, I mean, I never thought of it as a tow rig,
But it really was a tow rig for a long time.
I mean, we got to get to work. You should probably just put her back where it was, just, you know.
Same spot?
Yeah, probably.
So Laz had a really good idea. Jeremy's been wanting a hood pin on the smart car. So Laz made him one. And that's the hole for it. Jeremy doesn't know it yet because he's tuning his car. But it's gonna be pretty awesome. Here's the pin for it. Pretty big. Should get the job done. And here's the...
Give me the post.
We took the doors off the smart car. Totally forgot to mention that. But yeah, looks cool like this. Jeremy said he thinks we could take the wrap off, so I think it was way cooler when it was black and silver. We got the slow one that looks goofy, so this one should look sick like it used to. It's a little scratched up from the big flip, but old cater top, man. Looks pretty sick with no doors. What are you doing, pal?
I need to run to the track real quick here. I'm gonna run this up and down the street here real fast. So.
Is that tagged?
No.
All right, don't come look at the smart car. We got a surprise for you.
Okay.
Boom. Clean, dude. Now we're doing
clean, but...
now we're doing a little wrap peeling here. Trying to make this happen. Is your side coming?
Yeah.
Let me scope it out. Oh, nice. Yep, that's what she looks like underneath. So much more character though. Oh yeah. All right, let me go get this other side off, see what this unit looks like. Yeah, it looks good like that. A little wrinkled up side a little bit, but I mean, no big
Really, you
deal.
can see the character a little bit more.
Sturdy unit. We put the passenger seat in. Dude, it's been a smart car day.
Yeah.
Look at that hood pin though, man.
You
Hood's a
gotta
little...
find the license plate.
Yeah, we gotta take this thing to like... Well, now people won't say it's a McDonald's car anymore, so it won't be that funny, but it'll still be pretty cool if we went through a drive-thru.
Yeah. Think we can splurge to get another windshield?
Another windshield? I don't know if that's in the budget.
That I would like to see happen.
Yeah, it needs one. Really curious, dude?
Look at the size.
You wanted a hood pin? You got a hood pin, dude.
That's awesome.
Dude, do you love it?
Very, very cute, lad.
You know, real classy.
I was wondering what you were doing.
Freehand brake line there.
No, I like it, dude. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, the dude with the Tesla was like, "Hey, man, did I leave tire marks on this thing when I ran over it?" I was like, "No, but it's all scuffed up." That's cool. I like it. That's perfect. Oh yeah.
Look at that angle.
And bolted right in. Yes.
Yeah, it's got a nice little through bolt down there.
I like it. Cool.
Yep, doors are off, seats are in.
I think for Aero though, we should cap it.
Oh yeah, the yellow's gone.
Yeah.
Looks way cooler.
Yeah.
We couldn't quite do the red without, you know, a good team meeting because it doesn't look bad. Ditch it. You can see it on your face.
Yeah.
I can see it in your beard.
See it in my beard? Probably have food in my beard.
Yeah, probably some
Always
leftover
food in your
chicken and spinach or something. Yeah, it's pretty sweet, huh?
Well, I'm glad we got this thing's gonna stay on there.
Oh,
though.
Laz was wondering, is
that's
a
your
new...
getaway though. 'Cause, like if you go out and you get in trouble,
You pull over, yank the red off real quick, have a totally different color car, and they'll never know
Yeah,
it's
dude.
you.
Yeah, clearly it wasn't
Like
me.
a transporter or
That's
something.
the other K-swap. Smart car. Doorless.
Hey, so we were wondering if windshield was in the budget.
Windshield? Oh, yeah, I don't know.
No? All right. Yeah, we were just wondering. Well, I guess that answers that question.
I know.
Hey,
We do have a piece of Lexan over there.
sometimes you get the candy bar, sometimes you get the wrapper. Don't forget to check out the Fasterproms store where you can get hats, t-shirts, stickers, lanyards, and much, 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 much more. Well, not that much more, but there's a couple more things.
All right, fellas, got a different one here for you today. Definitely unusual for our channel, but something that I thought was really, really cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So, guys, this is Melik. This is, well, what year is this?
2015 BMW M4.
All right, and you just upgraded turbos, is that right?
Yeah, I did Pure Stage 2 Plus, pure turbos, and it has port injection, fuel it, port injection. It's running on the full E85. It has upgraded in-tank fuel pumps, and tuned by F80 Paul Johnson.
Nice.
It's
So
a 6-speed manual.
he's friends with this guy right here, and well, you said this is faster than your car, so I'm really pretty pumped to see what this thing puts down. I got to drive one of the fastest M3s in the world years ago, and they've come so far since then, and I think this car would absolutely smack down that car, especially at that time. So let's see what this thing dynos at.
Dude, what, you called it, man. 771, 636.
Dude, it comes on hard.
Dude, yeah,
It's on really hard.
it's like a totally different kind of power, man.
You gotta drive it afterwards.
Yeah, that rips. And I mean, the torque is probably off there. It's probably a little bit more like where it has a drop right there. That's probably where you're making peak torque. So, I mean, and the air fuel is fantastic. I mean, it's like 13 to 1. I mean, that's what you want in a recreation car. So, I will say it's a little bit, if it was a little bit richer earlier, it might make a little bit more bottom end torque. That's it. But I mean, awesome. It's hard. Sweet. Let's do another back-to-back pull, just see what it does, see if it loses or gains in life.
Damn!
Awesome car.
Thank you.
Heck yeah, man.
So that's the runs, 1, 2, and 3, right?
Yeah.
And that's kind of just showing you how it averages in between the air fuel and heat. So, I mean, if you were running down the road, it would probably cool down a whole lot, you know, more so than with just having the fan on there. But turbos kind of vary boost a little bit with heat. So, I mean, dude, it's impressive.
780,
Yeah, it's impressive. I mean, between 760 and 780 is what it would regularly perform on, you know, varying conditions.
Yeah,
Great
man.
number.
Congrats, bro.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely.
What up? Hell yeah.
That comes out nice. It feels pretty awesome. I think this in fourth gear is in the top end, like just crazy. Like,
Fourth gear.
I think it's just gonna like push you back real far.
Yeah, it'll hook in fourth.
Is that 3.2? Is that what it is?
What?
How big is the engine now?
3.0?
Oh, you got rolling anti-lag too, huh?
No.
Okay.
No, that's the Burbles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I was like thinking that there was a.
I wish. They're actually working on it.
Yeah, that freaking rips, dude. I think that was definitely way too fast to stay on camera. That was way too fast. That's awesome, man. Well, guys, I had a lot of fun making this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it very much. Please give us a like. Also, check us out on Instagram at Fasterproms if you guys want to follow us there. Also, check out the link in the description for the t-shirt that we just came out with. All right, guys, wanted to give you a quote right here. It says, anytime you feel less than, unworthy, or unplanned, you're being lied to. It's identity theft on a different level. Exchanging your life for a lie. All right, song I wanted to leave you with is Walk of Life by Dire Straits. I hope you guys enjoy. God bless you. We'll see you next episode.